Dear students, in the conformal mapping topic, we are going to see the next problem. Prove that W equal to Z by 1 minus Z maps the upper half of the Z plane into upper half of W plane. This is one problem, and the next one is, what is the image of the circle mod Z equal to 1 under this transformation? See, again the concept is very similar as it is in the previous two problems. For the entire topic, the concept is very similar. You will be given a transformation. The transformation here is W equal to Z by 1 minus Z, and you will be given an input. Here the input is upper half of Z plane, right? You will be asked output in all the problems. Here they are asking you to prove the output is upper half of W plane. That is the very minute difference. In the previous problems, you have found out what is the output. Here they are telling you to prove this is the output. That is what the difference, right? Now, and one more question here. They are asking what is the image of the circle mod Z equal to 1 under this transformation. So they are given you one transformation, two inputs. You have to find out two outputs. Therefore, two problems we are going to see here. Anyway, the very initial step, whatever may be the input or whatever may be the output, the very initial step what we normally proceed is, from the transformation given, I have to find out the value of Z. That is what the initial step we have to proceed, right? So W equal to Z by 1 minus Z implies, you just cross multiply it. So I will have W into 1 minus Z equal to Z. The next step, W minus WZ equal to Z. The next step, I need the value of Z. So I am taking this minus WZ to the right hand side, so that it will turn out as 1 plus W into Z. One step is not there, that is W equal to Z plus WZ will be there. So taking Z common, I will be having 1 plus W. So Z value will be equal to W by 1 plus W. Our next derivation is whether we have to find out the value of X or Y. That is what very important. That really depends on what the input is given. Here the input is upper half of Z plane. They didn't give it in a mathematical form. They have just given in the description. What is upper half of Z plane? See, you are really know about this. This is X-axis and Y-axis. See, this portion is upper half and this portion is lower half, and these portions were right half and these portions were left half. Okay, this is graphically. So upper half means, in a graph, what you will be doing for a upper half? Here you will be marking the values of Y as 1, 2, 3 like that, right? So for the upper half, the Y will be positive. Okay, so for the upper half, Y will be positive, that is Y is greater than 0, right? Y is greater than 0 is what the meaning for upper half of Z plane, right? So the input is Y is greater than 0. For that purpose only we are finding out the value of X and Y. Since in the input I am having what? Y, I am going to find out the value of Y. Anyway, for Z I am replacing X plus IY. For W I should replace U plus IB. Here I am having real part as X, imaginary part as Y. Similarly, I have to find out imaginary part on the right hand side. So I should bring out to a standard complex format. What is the standard complex format? Real part plus imaginary part. To bring any complex number to a standard form, keep one thing in mind. In the denominator, I should not have a complex number. See, if this portion, if plus iv is not there, the case is very simple. The real part will be u by 1 plus u, the imaginary part will be v by 1 plus u. But here I am having imaginary number, that is complex number in the denominator. We have to eliminate complex number in the denominator to bring any one to the standard complex form. For that I should take the conjugate. Conjugate is nothing but change the symbol of imaginary part. So here plus iv becomes minus iv. So in the numerator I am simply multiplying u into 1 plus u, then u into minus iv gives you minus iuv, and plus iv into 1 gives you iv into plus iv into 1 plus u gives you iv into 1 plus u. This becomes plus v square. How? Plus iv minus iv becomes minus I square v square. So minus I square v square means I square value is minus 1. So minus I square v square becomes plus v square. In the denominator, real part square plus imaginary part square. That is what the definition of complex number into its conjugate. So in the numerator, on simplifying you will be getting this. That is u plus u square here. Here minus iuv plus iv plus iuv you will be having. That terms will get cancelled and the end you will be arriving at this. So equating real and imaginary parts, I will have x equals to this portion, real part, u plus u square plus v square divided by this, and y equal to v by 1 plus u the whole square plus v square. Now y equal to 0. Of course we need y greater than 0. Y equal to 0 means this one. So y greater than 0 means I am substituting the value of y. That is what the procedure says. So simply by cross multiplying I am getting v greater than 0. So in z axis, z plane, the axis were x and y. In w plane, the axis were u and v. That is u instead of x and v instead of y. So again you are getting the same region. Here y greater than 0, there v greater than 0. That is what upper half of w plane. Right? The next one I have to find out the image of mod z equal to 1. See, here the input is in terms of z. So no need to find out the value of x and y. I am having the value of z here. I am just going to replace that z here. That is what. Very simple, right? I am just simplifying z equal to w by 1 plus w equal to 1. This modulus will go numerator and denominator, and I am cross multiplying, and I am replacing w equal to u plus iv, and here 1 plus u plus iv. See, for taking modulus, the modulus definition is root of real part square plus imaginary part square. So similarly here, root of real part square is 1 plus u the whole square plus v square. Square roots were getting cancelled both sides, or squaring both sides I will be getting u square plus v square equal to 1 plus u the whole square plus v square. Just expanding it and simplifying, I will be getting this value u equal to minus 1 by 2. And we will end up this conformal mapping class with one more problem which will be explained in the next video. Thank you.